Ever wondered if there's a better navigation app than Google Maps? Well, meet Waze, a GPS app that doesn't just guide you, it talks back, learns from the crowd, and helps you dodge traffic nightmares in real time. So, what exactly is Waze and how does it stack up against the giant that is Google Maps? So, let's break it down. So basically, Waze is a community powered navigation app that focuses on real time traffic data shared by the users. It was launched in 2009 and later acquired by Google in 2013. Waze isn't just about maps, it's about using the power of the crowd to predict alert and reroute you instantly. So instead of just relying on satellite data or historical traffic patterns, Waze depends on millions of active drivers who report road conditions as they happen. Whether that's a fender bender on Fifth Avenue, a surprise speed trap, or even a random pothole that could ruin your tire. What makes it feel alive is that you're not just using it, you're contributing to it. Even if you don't manually report anything, just driving with Waze open helps the app understand the flow of the traffic. So, how Waze works in real life. Imagine you're driving to work suddenly, Waze notifies you heavy traffic ahead due to construction. Rerouting to save you 7 minutes, you didn't search for it, Waze just knew. That's the magic. It doesn't stop there. Users can report accidents, speed cameras, road closures, flooded streets, even gas prices at nearby stations. All of it show up as real time updates on the map, like a live radar of what's happening on the road. Plus, Waze is a game like system where users earn points and unlock avatars as they contribute more to the platform, turning your daily commute into a fun little side quest. That's really cool. Now, let's get into the head to head comparison between Waze and Google Maps. So, let's discuss the pros of Waze first. It has real time user reported data for ultra fast rerouting, speed trap, and hazard alerts you won't usually find in maps. Crowdsourced updates keep things fresh and current. Highly interactive UI with playful voice options and avatars. It has built in support for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. But it also has some cons. Doesn't support public transit directions, not ideal for pedestrians or cyclists. Map design can feel cluttered to some, less intuitive for planning, less intuitive for planning long distance trips across multiple cities. Now let's move on to the pros of Google Maps. It is extremely detailed with support for walking, biking, and transit. It offers offline maps, indoor directions in malls and airports, cleaner interface, and broader data sets, more stable for global travel or unfamiliar locations. But it also has some cons, less frequent real time driver updates, fewer hazard alerts, rerouting isn't always as aggressive as Waze. So while Google Maps is more of an all purpose travel guide, Waze is your real time traffic ally, perfect for daily commutes, dodging delays, and staying one step ahead on the road. So, which one should you choose? So, if your priority is commute efficiency, saving time, and being alerted before something slows down, then Waze is your best friend. But if you're exploring a city, navigating on foot, or planning a cross country journey with public transit and mix, Google Map is still the king. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.